Hi, good day. In this tutorial, I'll be taking you through how to use the booking feature on our platform. What can the booking feature do for you? Let's say provided you have a business and you want to take bookings, or you are a professionals like doctors and all other related professions, and you want to take bookings where users can book appointment with you. You can use this booking feature. So let's get started. Here's my app. Here's the design. So I'm going to add bookings to this. So I'll go to the features tab, definitely. My Wi-Fi is a little bit slow today. Don't know why. Okay, here. So you can type booking here or just click on booking here. So I'm going to click on booking. As you can see, here is the booking feature. It's already added. The feed are already added, but I still need to design it a little bit. So I'm going to kind of add something here like a cover image. Let me add this. I'm going to add this. So that one. Okay, I'm going to add this. Now I'm going to type in description as well. You can book an appointment on app development conversations. I'm going to use a single date. I like to use the card design. Of course, I like the date and time format this way. So I'm going to click save. You can see the design has changed, and then the picture I added is up here, and then you can book an appointment on app development conversation. Let's say, for example, you want to monetize this. In the future, we are looking forward to integrate payments where users will have to pay before they can book an appointment. But for now, what you can do is use the e-commerce feature to create a product. Like, let's say the about this booking is about app development. You can title that particular product app development, and then you can charge probably, let's say $10 is what you want to charge, then add that as pricing. So when user place an order and pay the $10, then they can come here and then put fill out the form, and then in this place you can include an instruction like, make sure you enter your booking purchase receipt. Okay, so I'm going to click on the save again, and then here I can add location. Let's say my business is in different location, so I can add here, I can put email address, support at Swiftspeed operator if the user selects United States as their location. I'm going to click OK. Okay, that has been added. I can add another location. For example, I can add United Kingdom, and then I put this email. You can see that I'm using a different email for this location. So if a user selects United States, you're going to get responses of what they feel here of their appointment on that particular email that they've selected for the location which they fill out in the booking appointment. So basically it's done. So for example, I'm going to try what I just did and type my name as Swiftspeed. here. I'm going to type my phone number here, the support email, number of people, I can put 3, location, I can put United States, time, I can select time like today, then I can, my booking receipt is blah blah blah, I can enter a random number and then thank you. Comment, I need help with my mathematics. So basically this is just an example. That's what I'm booking an appointment for, with a mathematician to assist me in my math. So I'm going to click on send, and when I do so, you are going to, I selected United States, so you are going to get an email on support@swiftspeed.com, because that is the email I fill in for this specific location. But let's say, for example, this user selects United Kingdom, I'll be getting their response to this email. So that is that on that. So basically I can remove all this. See, my responses has been removed. So basically that's that with booking feature. If you can use this option to learn about it by clicking here, it will take you to the documentation page of how to use the booking feature. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Before I go, booking feature is a paid feature. It is not available on free plan. So to use booking feature, you definitely have to be on paid plan or white label plan. Thank you. If you like this video, please kindly subscribe to our channel for more videos. I'm going to go to download your app here and then generate APK and then wait for a few seconds and download my app so I can submit the new version to their various store, either App Store or Google Play. Bye.